In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save any file from iCloud Drive storage directly to your iPhone internal storage before they watch the video to the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and guys. The first stuff you need to open up Files app. After that, we can talk right here all the time until we get to the Browse folder. This is kind of a home page for the Files and from here we can easily enter our iCloud Drive. Here I got some file examples, and as you can see now, these two files are not actually downloaded to my iPhone storage. It indicates us with that cloud icon. And the first way how we can download these files to our iPhone is just stop at that cloud icon next to it, and it will immediately start downloading this file. That particular file is PDF. Once it has downloaded it, will open up just like that. And as you can see now, this cloud icon is gone. So now it is already downloaded to my iPhone storage. However, we can, let's say, create a copy of this file to the folder, which is called on my iPhone. We can easily do so if we long press Edit File, and then we can just hit Add to move. After that, we can head over to any directory. Now I'm on my iPhone directory, and now I can just create a copy here by typing right here. So now this file has just been saved to that directory. Here it is, and also from here, if we just want to say share a file with someone using any matter, we can easily press Edit File, and after we hit at Share, and after we choose the way we would like to share it with someone, let's say I'm gonna save it to our Telegram save messages. I can just stop right here, and what that will do, that will download this file to my iPhone. And once it is downloaded, we can hit right here at Send button to share it, or with any user we've selected. Basically, guys, so this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button